Peace is a given right. You can't discuss it. If you want to have peace, stop making trouble. If you want peace, stop making trouble. If you have to make trouble, make it for a reason that cannot be negotiated away or wished through. You say, me, I'm going to fight because I'm a Muganda. So what do we do? You can't stop being a Muganda. How many of you were talk to a telephone to God and ask him to make them born propaganda? Who can put up his hand and say, me, I chose to be a Muganda, or a Musoga, or an Aturi? Anyway, you are a Muganda, you are an Asoga, you are a Musoga, you are a Naturi, you are a Munyankori. So what? So what? What can Wanyankori do, or Wasoga do, or Baganda do, or they are called outside Uganda? Can they go to the moon? Can Baganda go to the moon? Can Wanyankori go to the moon? Can the Muslims of Uganda go to the moon? The Americans go. The Americans go to the moon and come back. I'm sure when things get bad, they are all going to migrate and leave us here.